load of material coming in the yard today. Leaf mulch. There's a little stringer. Right there's some mud we dumped out of a small hole.
Yeah.
Black gold coming off this truck, leaf mulch. We sell this by the scoop and we mix it in with our blend. This is nothing but aged leaves, tree leaves. It's been aged in a big pile. Peterbilt, heading out. Those walking floor trailers sure are nice. They work great for putting stuff in a tight spot. Alright guys, that load of material right there, it's about 70 yards coming in on this walking floor right here. And we'll sell some of it by the scoop. A lot of it will go right into our mix. Ends up going through our old stringer here. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.